Hey guys, it's John from setupwp.com. Just wanted to pick up where we left off in the last video. We are in the process of starting a new blog on WordPress, and in the last video we went to setupwp, clicked on how to start a blog, scroll down and click the special link to save 56% on InMotion hosting. We signed up for InMotion hosting with our domain, got this order confirmation, and got a call from InMotion where we verified our account. And then they sent a few emails to us. And some of these emails are just support center information or automated emails that say your account is confirmed, and they have helpful links for where to click and learn how to create email accounts or update your billing and contact information. But the email we're really looking for to set up WordPress is this one that says welcome to InMotion hosting. So I'm going to click on that. And if you scroll down, you should see your data will be different. But my login information is my email address, john@setupwp.com, and the domain that I registered and set hosting up for was startablogdemo.com. If I click on that now and we go to it, there's nothing there. So I just want to show you in a few minutes there'll be a WordPress site here. So I'm going to click back to the email, the welcome email. And to get started with your account management panel, you just click this link. When we do that, we'll be able to set up a password and go to our control panel, which is called cPanel. And that's where we'll set up WordPress. So I'm going to do that. This is where we set our password. Pick a good, strong password. And click Submit. Cool, so now we're in our account management panel. Our password has been set. You can now log in. So I'm gonna click on log in here. And then I'll log in with my email address and password, the password I just set up. Okay, so this is your account management panel, and this is where we're gonna install WordPress. So you can see this link that says install popular software. We're gonna click on that. Then we're going to click Install WordPress. So this is where we choose the settings for our WordPress installation, and for most of these things we're just going to leave them how they are. I'm going to leave HTTP protocol set as it is. I'm going to leave the domain startablogdemo.com because that's where I want to install WordPress. The directory I'm just going to leave blank because we want to install this at the root. That means we're going to install WordPress at startablogdemo.com. We don't need it in a subdirectory or a subfolder. The database name, we're just going to leave that as what it is. And the table prefix, WP underscore, I'm not going to change that. So the only things I'm going to change here are the site name and the site description. I'm not going to enable multi-site. Now we're going to set an administrator username and password and email address. Make sure you use a very strong password and follow along with the strength indicator because you don't want your blog to be hacked. I'm going to change my password later, but I'm going to use a simple password right now. So I've chosen a simple admin username. I'm going to change my password later, so I'm making this temporary password, and I'm just using a simple email address. I'm going to choose English for my language, and I'm actually going to recommend installing this limit login attempts plugin. This will keep your blog safe from hackers. So you just check that little box, and that's it. You can also have your email, you can have your installation details emailed to some email address. So I'm going to go ahead and do that too. And now you just click install. So that was pretty fast, right? Okay, so that's it. WordPress has been successfully installed. So now if we go to startablogdemo.com, we've got WordPress installed, got our blog title, how to start a blog, and our subtitle, setup WP guide. Now, this isn't what we want our site to actually look like, so if you follow along in the next video, I'm going to show you how to log into your site and install a new theme, customize it, and get it looking the way you want. I'll also show you some setting recommendations that I use for my clients and for all my own websites to keep your website safe and trick it out with a few cool plugins. So I'm actually going to log into the administrative URL really quick just to show you what that looks like. So you just enter your username and password. And this is the administrative area. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might look a little bit different because WordPress updates their software pretty regularly. So this is version 3.1.9 running the 2014 theme, but we can change that theme, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video. For more great WordPress tutorials, make sure you check out setupwp.com. I've got a lot of great resources there, tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go to setupwp.com and you can ask a question. This has been John Muldoon from SetUpWP. Congratulations on setting up your own blog. Later, guys.